Hey guys, hi everyone. So in this lecture, I will show you some important formulas which we are using in Excel on daily basis. So let's say I have some data here. So now my first criteria is I want serial numbers here with using formulas. So we can make use of rows formula here equals to rows into type here. Then you need to select error. You can take C column, D column, whatever you want. So I am taking here B column, colon into press, then bracket close. Again here in B2, first B2 you need to press F4 for constant. Why F4? Because this B2 will be fixed and this B2 will be variable. So now as you are seeing, I press enter. Same I am pasting here also. So now you can see my serial number has come here. So this was my first criteria. Second criteria is I have address and I don't have salary for this address. So now I want to make sum of this salary as per the address. So what I will do, I will put a formula equals to sum if. So there are two ways. So first way I am showing you equals to sum if, you can put range. So I have selected a range. Then F4 I have pressed here, comma criteria. So this is my criteria, comma sum range. So I have taken here sum range. Bracket close, enter. So now my answer has come here. Same thing you can do with the sum product formula also. So what you need to put, you need to type equals to sum product. Now you need to take double dash here. You need to press double dash. So double dash, one is for true and second is for false. So that's why 2 times dash we are taking. Okay. So now we have our first range. So criteria range will be my this one. So I have taken this criteria range is equals to, I have taken Borivali. Okay. Into I will take here, this is my salary range. So I have taken into salary range, bracket close, enter. Same I am pasting, my answer is coming here. So as you can see the formula, so output is coming the same. In sum if also it is coming same, in sum product also it is coming same. So you can use both the formula, any of the formula you want. So now coming to the third criteria, we have address, we have department, and I want salary. So I want Borivali. In Borivali I have department A. So I want wherever Borivali is there and wherever department A is there, so I want salary of that address and department only. So how we can do that, I am showing you now. So now we have to type a formula equals to sum if. So sum if, see what is the difference between sum if and sum ifs. Sum if you can make use of one criteria only, but in sum ifs you can make use of more than one criteria. So that is the difference between sum if and sum ifs. So previously I was having one criteria only, so there I have put it sum if, but here I have more than one criteria, so I will make use of sum ifs. So I am taking here sum ifs. Now I have sum range here, so I have taken here sum range. Okay, F4 constant, comma criteria range 1. So this is my criteria range 1, comma criteria 1. So I have criteria 1, comma criteria range 2. So this is my criteria range 2, comma criteria 2. Bracket close, enter. So as you can see, I have department A wherever Borivali is there and wherever department A is there. Let's say I have taken here department V. So now it is coming 10,000 because I have only one department A in Borivali and whose salary is 10,000. So as you can see, 10,000 is coming here. Okay. So now this same thing we can make use of sum product also. So here you can type a formula equals to sum product array 1. So double dashed array 1 will be my address. So address I have taken here. Constant, I put it constant F4. Okay. Bracket equals to Borivali. Okay. So I have taken equals to Borivali. bracket close into. So now again I will put double dash. So now I will select this department equals to department A, bracket close, again into, I will take the salary. So as you can see, the same answer is coming here. So you can make use of some product also or some ifs also, whatever you want. So now coming to the fourth criteria. So I have department A and I want count for department A. So how we can do? So we can use a formula here equals to, see basically we have one criteria here only. So for one criteria we can make use of count if. But here we have more than one criteria. So here we can make use of count ifs. So count if I am showing you here now. So I want department A count. So I will use equals to count if. Range, I will select the range, comma, I will select the department, bracket close, enter. So as you can see, I have only one department A, so that's why one has come. Okay, so now coming to the this one. So now I have more than one criteria here. So here we can put equals to count ifs. Criteria range 1 will be this, comma criteria 1, comma criteria range 2 will be this, comma this is my criteria 2, bracket close, enter. So here I have in Borivali I have only one department A only. As you can see, if I am doing this department A, so here 2 will come. Okay, so this how we can make use of these formulas. Hope you have understood these formulas. We'll meet you in next lecture.